What is up, everybody? It is Tommy Plays, and this video is, you've seen the title, and yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys what the difference is between using a mic and not using a mic. So right now, I'm not using a mic, and I'm just sitting here on my bed with my tablet close to my face and talking. Now I'm going to plug the mic in now. Just plugging it in, finding the end. And it is just plugged in, guys. So, does it sound different? But yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'm at 48 subscribers. And yeah, thank you guys so much for that. And yeah, sorry I haven't been uploading recently. I'm gonna make a video called about why I haven't been uploading and everything. Probably gonna do that after this. Maybe, probably not actually. I might start the series that I'm going to do. I'm just going to unplug the mic so you guys can see the difference. I'm going to be starting this series. I'm going to start it after this. It's going to be Tactical Battle Simulator. It's a thing. It's a game. And I'm going to, do lots of episodes of, yeah, you guys will just have to watch the video to find out. But yeah, bye guys, and play the outro. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love